Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to improve your health, burn fat, and even fight off disease, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 6 powerful foods that can help you do all of that. Burn fat, heal your body, and combat cancer. Let's dive right in. First up is green tea. This ancient beverage has been cherished for centuries, not just for its delicate flavor, but also for its incredible health benefits. It's packed with catechins, powerful antioxidants that boost your metabolism and help torch stubborn fat cells. These catechins, especially EGCG, are the real heroes in green tea. Studies show green tea increases fat oxidation, turning your body into a fat-burning machine. This means your body becomes more efficient at burning fat, even when you're not exercising. Plus, it's linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers like breast and prostate cancer. The antioxidants in green tea help protect your cells from damage, which can lower your risk of developing these cancers. Just swap out one sugary drink a day for a cup of green tea. This simple change can significantly reduce your daily calorie intake and help you shed those extra pounds. Aim for 1 to 2 cups a day, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, leaner you. Consistency is key, so make green tea a regular part of your daily routine. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Incorporating green tea into your diet is a simple yet effective step towards better health and weight management. So why not start today? Next up we have berries. These small, colorful fruits are not just delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Think blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, nature's candy. They are a delightful treat that can be enjoyed in so many ways. These little gems are packed with antioxidants called flavonoids, which fight off damage and inflammation. Flavonoids are powerful compounds that help protect your cells from oxidative stress. Inflammation is linked to heart disease and cancer, but berries can help combat that. By reducing inflammation, they contribute to a healthier heart and may lower the risk of certain cancers. They're loaded with fiber, keeping you full and regulating blood sugar levels. Fiber is essential for digestive health and helps maintain a steady energy level throughout the day. Add them to your morning smoothie, sprinkle them on yogurt, or mix them into your cereal. Berries are versatile and can be incorporated into various meals and snacks, or snack on a handful. They make a perfect convenient snack that you can enjoy anytime, anywhere. Enjoy those vibrant colors and sweet flavors while giving your body the nutrients it needs. Berries are not only a feast for the eyes but also a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals. Whether you pick them fresh from a garden or buy them from a store, make sure to wash them thoroughly before eating. Fresh, clean berries are a delightful addition to any diet. Blend them into a refreshing smoothie, toss them into a salad for a burst of flavor, or bake them into your favorite desserts. The possibilities are endless with these tiny but mighty disease fighters. Now let's talk about fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These are nutritional powerhouses, especially with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, crucial for preventing chronic diseases. They also improve heart health and cognitive function, and even combat certain cancers. Aim for at least 2 servings a week to reap the benefits. Grill it, bake it, or try it canned. There are many delicious ways to incorporate fatty fish into your diet. Next up, let's talk about cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. These veggies are not just delicious but also incredibly nutritious. They pack a serious nutritional punch with a compound called sulforaphane. This compound is a powerful antioxidant. Sulforaphane helps neutralize harmful toxins and reduce inflammation in the body, promoting overall health. It also has powerful cancer-fighting properties, inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and potentially reducing the risk of certain cancers. Cruciferous veggies are low in calories but high in fiber, keeping you full without adding extra pounds. This makes them perfect for weight management. You can roast them with olive oil and sea salt, add them to stir-fries for a quick meal, or blend them into smoothies for a nutritious boost. Including these vegetables in your diet can significantly improve your health. So next time you're at the market, be sure to pick up some cruciferous veggies and enjoy their numerous health benefits. Let's move on to turmeric, the golden child of the spice world. Turmeric gets its vibrant yellow color from curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Curcumin fights inflammation at the cellular level, preventing and reversing chronic diseases. It also has incredible cancer-fighting properties, inhibiting tumor growth. Curcumin can boost your metabolism and aid in reducing fat tissue. Sprinkle turmeric on roasted vegetables, add it to soups, or make a soothing cup of golden milk. Last but not least, let's talk about nuts and seeds. These are nutritional powerhouses packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Nuts and seeds regulate blood sugar levels and prevent energy crashes. They boost metabolism thanks to their protein and healthy fat content. They're also potent inflammation fighters loaded with antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. Next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a handful of nuts or seeds. So there you have it, 6 foods that can help you burn fat, heal your body, and even combat cancer. Incorporating these powerful foods into your diet is a simple yet effective way to boost your health. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Let me know in the comments, which of these superfoods do you eat regularly? I'd love to hear your thoughts.